In the previous few videos, I have gone through how you can create text entity directly from the text entity section. But this video, I will show you a simple way to create text entity. For example, today you have a new customer. Usually we will come to master data, customer, we click new and key in all the information. In order to create text entity, you can just click on the text entity drop box. From here, you can see some of the information that you have keyed in just now automatically copied over here. What you need to do is fill in those information that is empty. For example, BRN, SST registration number, tourism tax registration number, MSIC code, address, postcode, city, state, country, phone, and email. After that, click on Save. It will automatically map to here. Click on Save again. You have successfully created a debtor with their text entity together.